Hello everybody, today we're going to make this delicious steamed rice roll, alright? So before I make the rice roll, I will soak in 1 bag of black fungus to make the filling for the steamed rice roll, alright? This will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. So now let's get started making the steamed rice roll batter. I use 1.5 cup tapioca starch. You can use any brand, and 1.5 cup softasilk cake flour. This cake flour will help with the steamed rice roll get really soft and chewy, so it will last a long time and it's really delicious. Alright, so here we'll add about 3 cups of room temperature water. I have some helper today. They are very exciting to help mommy making this steamed rice roll. So now we'll mix that together until the flour dissolves. And I use about 1 teaspoon mushroom seasoning, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. I use olive oil, so you can use any oil of your choice. We'll vigorously mix that together. Alright, now I will take out about half a cup of the batter with 2 cups of room temperature water into a pot. We'll mix that together and then take it to the stove on medium-high heat. We'll cook this batter in about 5 to 6 minutes or so, or until you see the batter turn into thickened liquid or milky color, then that is perfect. So we'll turn off the heat and take it out from the stove. We'll pour the hot batter into the cold batter. This process will help make your steamed rice roll really soft, shiny, chewy, or without cracking. Even leave it with overnight, it still tastes as good as fresh made. We'll cover and let it sit on the counter while we preparing the filling of the steamed rice roll. So the black fungus is ready, and I will chop some green onion here as well, along with some cilantro if you like. Half yellow onion minced. If you find any value or enjoy my video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. After the black fungus fully expand from the soaking in hot water, I will rinse in water and wash it and then chop into small pieces. Now in a pan, I will add about 1 to 2 tablespoons oil and then add in the yellow onion. The meat I use in here is ground chicken, or you can use ground turkey or pork, okay? I will use about 1 pound in here, and I will use the whisk to break down the meat. Add about 1 teaspoon mushroom seasoning, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Stir them together until they are very well combined. Add some white pepper to taste, black pepper to taste. Mix that together as well. I will save some without the black fungus or herbs for my kid, as they not like those. So I will add in the black fungus and we'll cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then we'll add in cilantro, green onion. Stir them until green onion and cilantro become wither. Okay, so after it's done, we'll set that aside. We'll making the steamed rice roll. In a non-stick pan, I will brush a little bit of oil into the pan. Before you add in the batter, you have to stir it together, because if you let the batter sit around, and the flour will separate from the water and it will stay in the bottom of the bowl. So every time you're going to put the batter into the pan, you have to stir, okay? So we'll take about 1 ladle of the batter, and that should be enough to cover the bottom of 10-inch skillet. Once you swirl and all the liquid are covering the bottom of the pan, we'll cover the lid and let it cook for about a couple minutes. The first one will take about 1 to 1.5 minutes or so until it's ready. The one after that will take about a minute or so, okay? So after you're done, you just flip it over on the parchment paper, and then add the filling, roll it, and just repeat the process until you're all done with your batter. So here is how it looked like after you made it. I add some fried onion on the top, and here is my sauce. I'm going to show you how to make that. Alright, so here I have some red chili, garlic, sugar, mushroom seasoning, fish sauce, and suki sauce, salt, lemon juice, roasted peanut, and you can use peanut butter as well. So I will add about 1 teaspoon mushroom seasoning, 1 tablespoon sugar, about 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon salt, and then we'll pound that together until it forms into paste. And I would like to add some roasted peanut. If you don't like to put it right now, you can crush it and add it after you are done with the pepper paste. Here I will add about 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 4 tablespoons Cantonese suki sauce. If you like the sweet chili sauce, the sweet sauce, that is perfectly okay, alright? So we'll mix that together. Once you're done, I will add about a tablespoon fish sauce. Mix that and add just about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of water. And I add about another tablespoon of fish sauce. We'll mix everything until they are very well incorporated. I would like it a little bit sour, so add a tablespoon more lemon juice. That is how it looks like. We'll transfer that into a serving bowl. Add some toasted sesame seed. In a serving plate, I cut about 3 steamed rice rolls into bite size and topping with some chili pepper that I made, and just enjoy it. I hope you like it. Until next time.